Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So in today's video, I am doing a KanvasKorner review. So they have amazing, inspirational canvas prints on their website, and I absolutely love homeware stuff at the moment. Obviously, like owning our own home, and I've got my beauty room, and I love putting stuff up on the wall that will motivate me and inspire me, and that's all what KanvasKorner is about, is to dedicate people and make them more motivated and make them more efficient in their work and what they're doing, and just make them feel inspired. And that's what I love about KanvasKorner. I'm so proud of my beauty room now and how it looks like. I'm just so proud of this space, and it's so cool because my friends always want to come in here whenever they come over, my family and my friends. And to me, having my beauty room as like a motivating and inspiring place is so important, because I'm filming and editing and getting ready in here like 3 times a week at least. So it needs to be somewhere where I want to come and I want to like be ready, and I'm just motivated to do the work and hustling. And also today I'm going to do a little room tour as well, and I'm going to put up the KanvasKorner prints in my beauty room. So this is going to be a fun little video for you guys. So when KanvasKorner reached out to me, I was so excited. Like, you should see the stuff on their website. They have such cool, unique prints. There is so many to choose from, so many ones that make you feel like a boss babe, or if you have this up in your room or your house, you're just gonna like love staring at it. Like, I love their art so much. There's so many cool things in here, even cartoon characters, brand logos, just really cool quotes and sayings, and really colorful ones, cool patterns. Honestly, you will never see such amazing prints, and you need to go and check out their website, especially if you're wanting something to hang up on your wall in your bedroom or your lounge or anywhere in your house. So these range from 129 New Zealand dollars and up, depending on what size you get, which is pretty good for such a cool print to hang up on your wall, and such good quality. And you can also choose canvas or canvas and black float frame. So on their website it says our canvas arts are unique and exclusively available on KanvasKorner, so you can get them from nowhere else apart from KanvasKorner. Create a motivational and inspirational atmosphere in your home or in your office. All canvases are shipped, assembled, handmade by an expert, already stretched over a wooden frame. So mine came to me so quick. So it came in like a week and a half, which is pretty good because I'm all the way from little old New Zealand. And it came undamaged, and it came in like a huge box. So that was awesome. It says our canvas arts are lightweight, easy to hang, and do not damage your wall. And I found that, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so big, they're gonna be so heavy. And I lifted it up and I was like, okay, this is super light, which is good because you can actually use those little Velcro things on the back instead of like hammering them into your wall and stuff. And it says highest quality ink and material. No other canvas arts provides richer color, more depth, and impressive texture from every angle. KanvasKorner arts are 100% ethically made, which is really good. Acid free, and are safeguarded against dust, scratches, UV rays, and environmental hazards that normally fade or warp artwork over time. So these are going to like last you forever. They're not going to fade if you have them in like a sunny spot in your house, which is really cool. And shipping info, it says delivery times from the day of purchase. So for US, Canada, and Mexico, 4 to 7 business days, which is really fast. UK, 4 to 7 business days. Europe, 4 to 8 business days. Australia, 4 to 8 business days. And rest of the world, which was me, 10 business days. And yeah, it came in about 10 business days, so that came really fast. 100% customer satisfaction or money back guarantee. So that is amazing. Like, if you're not happy with it, you will get your full money back, which I find amazing, because obviously that goes to show how awesome they are. You guys will love them, and I so can't wait to put these up in my beauty room. I showed my mum and my dad and my sister when they came over, and they're like, oh my gosh, they're so cool. At the back, as you can see, it's like a massive canvas, so really good quality. In the middle, it's got like the wooden strip that goes across, and this is like super light. Look how cool this is. It's like a big gold dripping money lips. Like, how epic is that? I'm going to take the plastic off so you guys can see these a bit better. I reckon people would so compliment these like whenever they see them in your house. So yeah, if you want to impress your guests, then KanvasKorner, guys. Honestly, this is huge, and the print quality is still amazing. Look at this. The light, the ring light might like wash it out a little bit, but oh my god, look. you can kind of see how big it is compared to me, like up to my head, down to my inner thigh. This one definitely inspires me to work hard for my money. Not that money's like everything, but you know, hustle hard, work hard, stay dedicated, and you're gonna get successful, and you know, your career's gonna expand. And that's just what I see when I see this. Like, it makes me think that I'm gonna be successful, and I'm like working hard for my money, and I just love this. I'm unboxing this one, and this one is one of my favorites. I love this. This one reminds me of social media. I love it because this one reminds me to hustle hard and stay dedicated and motivated, because social media is a job of mine. It's not just a hobby, so that's why it's like hustle mode, and then swipe to unlock. This is the same size as the other one, by the way. I feel like these two go together so well, like the color tones and everything in them, and these were together on the website as well. So I thought, oh my god, they look so cool together. There's so much on the website. Like, you can also get like horizontal ones, not just like tall ones like this. So yeah, there's different kinds to suit your space. So I'll show you a little size guide here of kind of the sizing and what it's like. You can see this all on their website, but you can see like the smallest and the largest compared to this person standing there. When I chose my size, I didn't realize it was going to be as big as it is, but I'm actually glad that I got this size because I think it's cool and it stands out. I'm definitely going to put them on my wall. And I've taken my previous things down off the wall, which I was bored of. Like, I've had the same stuff up on the wall for like two and a bit years now, so you know, it's great to change up your space. Just went to Kmart and brought these. So this is the Command brand, and you don't need any nails, and there's no damage. It removes cleanly, no marks, and this holds up to 5.4 kgs, which is great because these were probably about like 3 to 4 kgs, I'm estimating, because I've got like a 3 kg weight and I've got a 5 kg weight, like what I work out with, so I could kind of like work it out. So here's the wall behind me of where I'm going to stick them. This is a pretty big space. I'm so glad because this was like the only space in my beauty room. As you can see here on the back, it also has this like metal clip where you can put like hooks in and stuff, but I'm just going to use the back and the Velcro strips. Okay, here's me attempting to put this on the wall. I don't know if I got it straight. Shit. Oh my god, it's huge. It's huge. Oh my god, I don't know if I got it straight. I think I did. It's too late now. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god. Tip, do this with 2 people, alright? It's a good thing about these Velcro strips is that you can like take it off the wall and kind of like reposition it and stick it back on the Velcro. So that's what I was doing just then. I probably looked so weird. They are up on the wall. They look epic. I did it. So I'm going to start with the tour. Here's a little nook and there's a toilet, a spare room in there, and here's my beauty room. The room I love coming to and the room that all my friends love coming to. I come through this door and then now look at my prints. I am so proud of these prints. They look so cool. I love this. And they match my trophies and stuff, and like, oh my gosh, they match this like eyeshadow palette in there and like my certificates, like it always matchy. These look so cool. Like, you could imagine how cool this would look on a massive wall in your lounge area or in your bedroom or somewhere like that. It's so cool. I absolutely love these. So anyway, KanvasKorner prints. They look so cool up there. Here's my little like certificate wall. I've got my NYX Face Awards Inspiration Award for the top 6. I made it to the top 6. That was a highlight in my social media career, my makeup career. I've got 2019 certificate. This is the International Beauty Industry Awards, and look, this is like gold and black too, so it fits the canvas arts really well. And this was a finalist in the category of Best Eyes. And then in 2018, I got a finalist in the category of Best Creative and Unconventional Makeup. I got 2 awards. Like, I won for Best Special Effects Makeup Artistry, and I won for Best Full Face Makeup Artistry. Like, this is made in the same factory as where the Grammy Awards are made. So these are really heavy and they are so cool, and yay. I actually helped promote the IBI Beauty Awards, so they gave me free entries to enter, and I didn't realize I was going to get all this. And in 2018, Best Moulage and Injury Makeup, and also 2019 Best Creative and Unconventional Makeup. You guys know I love my creative makeup. Over here is our NYX Face Awards banner. This is when we did a meet and greet back in 2000 and I don't know when, maybe 2017. This was quite a while ago. And some pictures of some of my online friends, and I've just got a little Charles and Keith bag. I wish this brightness could go up brighter, but it can't. And then down here I've got a One Stone Beauty like beauty fridge. This is like what you can put in your bathroom and put your like skincare and stuff inside. Up here I've just got some little cute L'Oreal frames. I bought these frames, and these little L'Oreal things came in a PR package that I got a while ago. It was one of my favorite PR packages. And down here is the cat tower, because when I'm editing in here, my cats love to play on this and sleep in it. They love sleeping on the top here. And then in this wardrobe, there's nothing much. This is just where I store like all my bikinis. Sorry, it's so dark. I store my bikinis and my hair tools up there, and my bags and my giveaway drawers. Some stuff down there. See, my giveaway drawers. My ring light gets stored in here. Yeah, that's where I store like PR products and stuff to give away for like family and friends. And now we've got my glasses. And you all asked me where I get this rack from. I think I got it from eBay. So all my glasses and all my makeup are in these drawers. These drawers are from Target, by the way. Alicia's Beauty Room, that's like from Kmart. All the old school Kylie lip kits, this is what they used to look like. Now they're like black packaging, I think. I got this big mirror. I think I got that from the warehouse a long time ago. Here's a photo of me in Sachin, one of my close friends. He was from Glow Up. I met him from Glow Up, which was really cool. And I have like my little lipstick tower. I absolutely love this. Oh, it spins around. And this was from Zara Beauty. I got all my brushes down here in these little pots that I got from a furniture store. I can't remember what it was called. I've got my chair there. I sit there to edit. And then on this side, we've got more drawers where all my makeup is stored, and more glasses, because I just have so many. I get sent so many glasses. A perfume up there. I really like this. This is what one of my best friends, Shani, got me from South Africa, because she's from there. Then over here, as I turn around, we've got where I film. So I literally just sit in this little corner, if it looks familiar. And this little desk is from Kmart, and down there I've got some Maybelline foundations in that box, and some Maybelline lipsticks, my GHD, and across here is all my perfumes, which is really cool. I've got all sorts. I don't actually get sent that much perfumes as I used to, and if I do, I just give them away because I got so many. I got this PR package from Mecca, which I was so excited about. Look at this pretty Anastasia box. I had to have it up here. And some fancy Luxe YSL lipsticks, which I got sent. Some more lipsticks which I got sent, very pretty. And my mirror, this is what I use to like get ready with. And my favorite part of the beauty room is this. Like, look how cool this is. So these shelves are from IKEA, and IKEA is really popular in America and overseas, and I got inspired from watching other beauty room tours. So I actually stuck these lights on myself. Like, this didn't come with the mirror, but I find that it is so cool, and I've got this little remote which can actually change the colors of this mirror. Oh my god, it's probably not going to change any colour for me today. Is it going to change? Oh my god. Let's go fade. Okay, so I've got fade and it can change colours, which is really cool. It goes like pink to red to orange to yellow to purple to blue to like hot pink. Like, I absolutely love this setting. I wish all the colours on my remote worked, but they don't. Like, literally the blue one and the purple one works and the red one, and that's it. Let's make it flash. I can make it flash like this, so it flashes like all the different colours, which is quite epic. Oh my god, I love this mirror. The bulbs up here aren't part of the mirror. My sister got me these from America, and you can turn them on. I think that's so pretty. And up here, I've just got a Fashion Nova box, a Britney Spears perfume, and this was so cool. So I got sent this as a PR package. This is a personalized Bondi Sands. Like, how epic is that? Merry Christmas, Alicia, with love. Ducks tanning foam. I haven't used this, and I'm saving it forever. Up here is my Juicy Couture fragrances. I love Juicy Couture. I have worked with them on several occasions now, which is really cool. The last one I promoted was this one, which is so amazing. It's Juicy Couture Lip Bubbly. Down here I've got some liquid lipsticks, Dose of Colors, Jeffree Star. And here I've got NYX Cosmetics, Anastasia at the back, Dose of Colors. I'm not going to go through my makeup collection. That's like for another video, like an updated makeup collection. If you want to see one, then let me know. I've got some Tarte Cosmetics palettes here and a brush and a mascara. Some more liquid lipsticks in these little acrylic drawers, which I find really cute. I got these from Kmart. A fake Louis Vuitton down there that was from my friend's mum when I did some modeling for her. Up here I love, it's my Lame Roses Rose Beer. These aren't real roses, but I just love this anyway. And in here I have my Daniel Wellington bracelet, and in here is like full of lipsticks. This is Balmain and L'Oreal. I collaborated with them on this collection and it is stunning. I want to show you. Opens up to that side and there's all those lipsticks, green, black and blue. Ysl Shelf. I got sent all of this back when I got sent Ysl stuff. This is my little watch shelf. Most of these are from Saatchi when I was their affiliate for a year. I absolutely love these watches. They are so cool. So definitely go and check out Saatchi. I don't know if my code Alicia10 is still active for 10% off, but if you want some epic watches, and some of the proceeds go to the Soy Dog Foundation to help rescue dogs and cats. That is so cool. Go and shop on Saatchi. And this acrylic drawer is from Kmart. Everybody always asks where this is. I think that's such a cool setup. Down here is my Pure Excess perfume. Everyone always thinks this is Gucci, but it's not. It's Paco Rabanne. It looks so cool. And down here, I've got a palette, like James Charles palette, Jeffree Star palette, a little NARS box with like a little lip gloss and a blush in there. A little customized L'Oreal mirror when they used to send me stuff. Oh, that was so cool. And here is a lot of Opi Nail Polishes. And I get sent so many, so I always give a lot away because I get my nails done. And I literally just got my nails done the other day. Look how pretty they are. I love this color and this glitter. Stunning. I don't know what else to show you. Look how cool these prints are. I'm gonna like stare at this all day now. And I do film like right here, and I'm looking directly at this wall. So I think this wall definitely needs to be motivating and inspiring. And when I film, I have this door closed so I can see both of them. So anyway, I hope you guys loved this little KanvasKorner review and my beauty room tour. I loved filming this video. I found it so fun, and I know you guys all love KanvasKorner, so definitely go and check out their website. Like I said, it's at the top of my description box if you want to go and check out some prints. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Saturday at 8 AM New Zealand time. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.